Hello guys, welcome. In this short video I will be discussing much more about the pipfest.com opportunity. Okay, so allow me to use these images or picture that you see over here to show you what you get when you sign up for Pipfest opportunity. Before we even start, get to know that Pipfest is one of the amazing advertisement project online. What does it mean? It simply means that they have all the people, they have a lot of people on this website which are into what you are into. What I mean here is that these people are network marketers, these people are online business people. And since you also promote business online, and since you also are into network marketing, it simply means that it's the best home for you. What do I mean by that? Since they are an advertisement company or project, immediately you sign up into Pipfest business, you get free, you get free banner credit and text credit, which you can use to promote your business opportunities on this website. So you can look down here, you will see that other people are having their ads over here. You can look down here, you will see Hit Cash. This is an advert that is on this site and it is owned by some of the people on this website. You simply need to have some of these banner credits which you earn for doing business with Pipfest, and you can also put your banner here. People click on it, register, and become your downlines. What business are you promoting? Get into Pipfest, get your credit, and start moving. But do you also know that by doing that, you still earn money for doing this? Let me explain. So let's go back here. I don't want this video to be so long, but I want to cut it short. So being an advertisement platform, becoming a member gives you the opportunity to advertise on the platform and get downlines for all sorts of businesses that you are doing. So let's start first. Before you become a member of Pipfest, or to start enjoying money on Pipfest, you need to piff for someone. And if I mean piff, I simply means that you need to help someone. It surprises you, right? Let me tell you. Pipfest note that before you can go far in life, you need to extend hands to others. So you coming on board, your upline, your sponsor will pay for your registration. And that is the beauty about Pipfest. You register for free, your upline, your sponsor pays for your registration. And you got to start from this bronze stage. So the bronze stage is $1. Your upline will pay this $1 for you. Your job is to extend hands to two people, and these two people you are also going to pay $2, which means $1 for each person. Help two people. So to start this business, all that you need is $2 to start this opportunity. Now your upline has paid $1 for you. Immediately you bring two people, and those two people bring their two each. The system will pay you 0.5 on the second level. So this is how it goes. Here you are. The two people you brought are your level 1 people. Now these people brought 2 each. To them it's their level 1, but it's the level 2 for you. It's the level 2 for you. So when these 4 people comes in, the system will pay you 0.5 for these 4 people, and that will give you $2. And you know what is amazing here? After you have received $2, which is your own money, the system will upgrade your account automatically to the silver level. So you are going to get 500 banner credit, and then you are also going to get 500 text credit. 500 banner credit and 500 text credit, which means that you can use the text credit to promote your online business opportunities on Pipfest. And you can also promote opportunities using banners. Okay, now you are at silver. The cost is $2. The system paid it automatically for you. Okay, you have gotten $2 in your pocket. Now at silver, whenever people come at your level 2, there are other people also following you. And also note that the system gives you spill unders, which means that there are other people that have completed their bronze and they need to come down. They will come and fix under you. People from your team will come and fix under you. Okay, now here you are going to earn $1. When 4 people comes under you at the silver stage, you are going to get $1. Now this $1, you are going to get $1 per each person. So $1 times the 4 people will give you $4. And this $4 is your money to keep. Okay, it's your money to keep. The system automatically upgrades you to the gold level. At the gold level, the cost was $4, but you are going to earn $2 for every 1 person out of the 4 people. One beautiful thing I love about this is that the matrix are short. Only 6 people in each matrix. You don't need a very wide. No. Only 6. Now look at it. Here you are going to earn $2 per every person that comes and meets you at gold. Now you are going to get $8. The system will auto upgrade you to the next stage, which is platinum. Now at platinum, which costs $8, every person that will fall on your level 2, you are going to get $4. So $4 times the 4 people will give you $16. Now this $16 that you have gotten is yours to keep. You don't share with anyone. You can withdraw to your wallet. Okay, now the system automatically upgrades you, okay, to the next level. But it seems we didn't talk about all these things. So which means that you will have continuous promotion of your business, because when the system upgraded you to the second level, you got 1,500 banner credit and got 1,500 text credit. When it upgraded you to the next level, you are also going to get 3,000 banner credit and then 3,000 text credit. What about the other ones? Platinum, you are going to get 5,000 banner credit and then 5,000 text credit, which you can use to promote every online business that you are into it. So if you are into 10 business opportunities, you can come into Pipfest and then start promoting them all over here. Let's get to the last one, which is the diamond, and that is the place that I love most. Immediately you get to diamond, which costs $16. Note that this $16 wasn't paid by you. The $16 was paid automatically by the system for you. So diamond costs you $16. The system will pay you $8 for every 1 person out of the 4 at your level 2, and you will get $32. Now the system will now, I don't know if they say buy or reallocate or gives you, but the system will give you 12 times re-entries at the bronze level again. Everything ends here at the diamond, but is going to die off, is going to stop, by leaving 12 accounts at the bronze level for you. Okay, so over here, this 12 account is going to support your team. This 12 account is going to help your team. Imagine those after you are also living 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. So look at it. This is the time you need to come on board and then enjoy as well. Now, let's look at the whole thing. You have gotten $2, $4, $8, $16, and $32. That means for completing the whole board, you have gotten $62, starting with just $1. $1 has made you $62. It has given you 12 new accounts in Pipfest. What does it mean? It is going to produce $62 times 12 for you again, all started with $1. Now, you gotten 12 times account in the bronze stage. The system will give $20 as sponsor bonus, okay, to your sponsor. That is why you don't need to joke in this business. You have to make sure you are telling other people to enjoy. And by doing that, the system also helps you here. The system gives you a lot of money. Okay, look, you have gotten 32, 12 accounts. Your upline enjoys $20. And look over here, 10,000 banner credits for you and 10,000 text credit. So the question is, why would you be spamming people on Facebook, spamming people on, what do you call it, WhatsApp, when an opportunity like this is there? You simply need to register and someone even pays for it, okay, for you. So it's a business. You don't need to joke. You simply need to register, okay? Simply needs to register, contact your upline pays for it, then you got your $2 and also extend the help to other 2 people. Then we move, we build our team, we go, we start enjoying from here. Now let's go again. After you have made all this money, which is about $62 over here, this is $62, and then upline got in $20. You have 12 accounts. You'll be earning $62 again and again and again and again any time of the day. Okay, now this is what is beautiful. After you have made money from the system, you can join now the Millionaires Club. You have made money. You can sacrifice part of that money to join the Millionaires Club. Now, this was taken like you have 10 referrals, okay, 10 referrals, and this is what the system will give to you. I know people, some of us can make 100 referrals, but you making 10 referrals, let's look at what you get. Your level 1 referrals is 10. Your reward is $15. So $15 times the 10 will give you $150. And do you know what is beautiful here? The people that you brought in the bronze stage, when they made money, they would also want to make more money. So they will follow you into the Millionaires Club. When they follow you in the Millionaires Club, this is what you are going to get. Every person that comes here, joins you on the first level, you get $15. And then that is $150. At your level 2, that means that these 10 people also brought 10, 10, 10 each. Okay? And that is 100 people. Immediately, their people comes under them, you get $12 per every head that falls under them on your level 2. And here, you get $1,200. On your level 3, we are still assuming each brought 10, 10, 10, 10. Then look over here. On your level 3 with 1,000 people, you will get $9 from each of them. And that is $9,000. When we get to the level 4, which is 10,000, you are getting $5 from each of them, and that is $50,000. Level 5, you now have about 100,000 people. And note that there is spillovers, and all those spill things in this business. Meaning those at the top are still signing people into the mattress. And when they falls under you, you are still going to earn what is there, the reward that is there. So look at it at your level 5, $4 on the 100,000 people, and that is $400,000. Level 6, 1 million people, and you earn $3 on each of them, and that is $3 million. Now, when it gets to the level 7, that is the final, the final level. You are earning $2 on the 10 million people, and that is $20 million. In all, you are having a total, that is a total of $50 for $23,460,350. Truly speaking, imagine what you can do with 23. Yes, imagine what you can do with 23 million. Yes, imagine what you can do with 23 million. It's for you now to do your mathematics, thinking about what you can buy, with this money, how your life will change with this money, And note that this isn't the only business you are doing. So whilst you are promoting this business and advertising your other opportunities, now I'll still talk to my brothers who are bloggers. You want views to your, maybe your other business opportunities on your blogs. If you want to maybe send people to your YouTube videos and stuff, this is the right time to use your ad credit. Maybe you are a YouTuber. This is the time. Use your text credit, use your, the banner credit to send people to your videos, send people to your blogs, send people to many other things, Affiliate marketers, where are you? This is the time to send people to your affiliate office. Those doing the CPA. My God. You can't stay there and watch this opportunity pass you by. Because whilst you are making money, you are converting your views, you are converting your ad click and everything into money as well. So I won't talk much. I think I've given you the two most important parts here. And it's my dream, It's my dream to see anyone who watches this video, to make money as well. Even if you already have money, this is the time to add more to your finances, invest more, making money from here. So in the description part of this video, just watch there. In the description part of the video, you will see my link. I'm always ready to pay for you, yes, because I always want to help my team. So look in the description part of the video, click on the link, do your registration. My WhatsApp number is also there. Chat me on WhatsApp. Let me know that you have done the registration. I will pick you up, and get you on board. Make sure you have $2 remaining. You have $2 in your wallet. I also have the link to my blog, which will show you how to fund your account and then everything. In fact, you won't even need me there, yes, but I will need you during Zoom meetings so that you can bring your people, we help them, But by going to the page, you have all the videos that you need, You watch and execute, you make your money and withdraw, all right?